Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw the trend line on Metatrader 5 app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metatrader 5 on in the screen. So now you can see there are tons of symbols in here, so let me choose any of them and draw a trend line to show you a demo. So let me choose this very first one, which is EURUSD. Now let's tap on the chart. And now you can see there is a object icon at the top of this chart, which is at the just right side of this f or function. So let's tap on that object icon. And now you can see there are tons of objects over here. So you can see there is a line tilted at the right side, which is at the left side of this horizontal line. So let's tap on that object. And now you'll be able to add or draw the trend line successfully in this chart. So what you can do is you simply need to tap on the chart, and now you can see there is a red dot on in the screen. So once you drag it, you will be able to draw a trend line successfully on in the screen. So let's leave the dot. And now you can see I have drew the trend line successfully in this chart. So if you want to adjust the trend line, then simply hold the middle dot, and and now you can see you will be able to change the position of the trend line successfully. And if you want to delete it, then simply hold the trend line, and you will be able to see there is a delete option. So just tap on it, and you'll be able to delete your trend line successfully. So basically this is how you can draw the trend line in Metatrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.